Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I make a fabulous salmon. As you can see, it's already cleaned. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze some fresh lemon. Okay. And you can leave your skin on or off. Took my skin off, guys. That should be enough. I'm going to use just a little bit of onion powder. A little bit of onion powder, not much. Just a little bit. I'm going to start off with the back, and then we'll do the front. I'm going to add just a little bit of seasoning, salt, just a little bit. Like that. I'm going to use my garlic butter seasoning. Very nice, guys. This has a very nice flavor. So I'm going to put that on there like that. And then some black pepper. Okay, with clean hands, you want to go ahead and just press your seasoning in like this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and season the other side. It smells amazing. This garlic, this is what I'm using, guys. I'm put a little bit. I'm sorry, yeah, this garlic butter is very nice. Put a nice amount on the top. And we just kind of put the same seasonings on. I don't want to overdo it. And then I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. And then I'll show you guys what I do next. All right. To my pan, I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil. And I have my stove on medium heat. As you can see, I'm using a small pan because I'm going to just make one piece of salmon because it is getting late. I had to run some errands, so I'm not going to make the whole 4 salmons that you saw me season. Okay, so we're going to see if this is hot enough. Yes, it is. So we're going to place our salmon down. I'm going to allow it to cook for a few minutes on this side before I flip it over. Once it's done, I'll come back. All right, our salmon, I cooked it on both sides for about a few minutes. And we have some oil. To my oil, I'm going to add some butter. And to this, I'm going to add some onions. Also have some garlic. Do not allow this to burn. I'm going to add our tomatoes in. And we're going to allow this to cook for a few minutes. Smells amazing already. And I reduced my stove from a medium to like a low because we do not want our garlic nor our onion to burn. So I'm going to allow this to cook for, like I said, about a minute. It's been a few minutes. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do So I'm going to deglaze with some wine. Okay? Just a little bit. A little bit more. I'm going to allow the alcohol to evaporate. That's pretty stirred. Smells amazing. Now to this, I'm going to add some heavy cream to create our sauce. I'm going to season with a pinch of salt, some black pepper, some crushed red peppers, just a little heat. And I also have a little bit of Cajun seasoning. That should do it. And we're gonna stir. I'm gonna add some parsley, fresh parsley. And we're gonna allow this to simmer. I'm gonna taste it first. Yep. That's the flavor I was looking for. I'm gonna add back my fish. I'm gonna allow this to cook in the sauce for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you the finished product. All right, guys, here is our fabulous salmon with our creamy tomato sauce. It is outstanding, extremely tasty. If you notice, I just garnished it with some parsley and some fresh tomatoes. Look fabulous, ready to eat. You can serve it with whatever you like. Until next time, like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe. Delicious.